Friends, welcome to the UPSC Mind Maps channels. Today's we are discuss a first chapters of the paper 1, that is the paper 1 of a public administration and introductions to the public administrations. Here we discuss Wilsonian view on a public administrations, and second one is the evolution of a public administration. Third one is the evolutionary paradigms of a public administrations, challenge of LPG, and then next is the meaning, scope and significance. At last we discuss how the questions are asked in UPSC examinations, right? Then we try to understand. Look at here, that is the public administration's first chapters topics, and first we discuss here, like first we try to cover who is the Woodrow Wilson and what is the contribution of him. That is the Woodrow Wilson at last become a president of the USA. He is born in 1858 USA, right? And a professor of a political science in USA college, and then after become a president in 1930. And he is write a first book of a congressional government, that is in 1882, and then he write a essay the study of administrations quarterly 1887. He is published articles that is laid foundation of a politics administrations dichotomy, and we are also known as the Wilsonian dichotomy. This is the laid the foundation of a public administrations after the some meetings. Okay, and now we are try to understand what is the Wilsonian visions. There are a theoretical visions, that is a politics public administration dichotomy, in which we are studies what is the Wilson thinking regarding the public administrations. Wilson always advocated that the separation of a public administrations from the politics, that is the very fruitful for the administrations in a good governance. So he gave the reasons why we should separate politics from the public administration. That is the first reasons is the politics is the expression of state will, that is government also focus a policy making government, but is administrations always focus on the implementation of a public policy. Here I am using some of the short key, that is the IPL is the implementation, and PUB dot policy, that is the public administration. Students, you know that na, UPSC syllabus is the very big, and we try to cover in a small notes, that's why we can easily revise in a exam times. So I am using some keyword. You try to listen carefully and understand it. After you revise this, then you will get what is this. And then next region is the administrations, that is focus on a administration only, and different methodology of the governments. So we have to be separate from the politics to public administrations. That is the second region. And now third region is the political quest. Political party is always questions about the law in formulations, but administrations questions raise for the law in actions, right? So we Woodrow Wilson's, I think that if we separate from the politics to the public administrations, then we can easily regulate in a good manner of the administrations. Some of the persons are also criticized of the Wilsonian views, and some of the keywords are the relevance also. That is why in a last time 1887's public administrations are separate from the politics subjects. So